Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a stylist extension custom theme for any website. This is free for you. And here we go. With hundreds of thousands of themes, skin and free background, you can customize any website with your own color theme in a click. So here we go. Let's try to add to Chrome and add extension. And here with the process and done, this is the style your website theme that make the internet entirely yours. So here we go. Let's accept the cookies, and here if you want to top up, you can do it. If you want to upgrade into the pro, you can do it. So here there are ton of theme and skin and background that you can use. So this is let's try with the Wikipedia. Maybe let's click it, and let's try with the simple dark Wikipedia theme. Click install style, added. Now let's try open Wikipedia right now. As you can see now, Wikipedia is change the theme according to the stylist or simple dark Wikipedia theme. So there are a ton of background, ton of theme that you can try. So feel free to try, install, add this stylist, customize your website themes that make internet entirely yours. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.